All right, keep coming back. Easy now. And hold it right there. We're clear.
This scrap fighter jet engine is about to begin its transformation into massive power plant turbines. Safety is paramount. Before defueling, the engine must be securely grounded to prevent any After undergoing a thorough cleaning, the scrap engine proceeds to the primary disassembly area, beginning the strip-down process.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Clamps are engaged, rotating now.
These high-stress alloy blades are carefully inspected. Any with damage are marked with an X, designating them for melting and recast into new turbine material.
Inside this secret recycling factory, we witness the full process of converting scrap fighter jet engines into massive power plant turbines.
The massive fan module is carefully separated, revealing the high-value alloys of the turbine core.
Turbine salvage assessment for power plant turbine raw material.
The technician applies significant torque to loosen the central retaining nut, a critical step in extracting the high-value superalloy scrap.
Once the high-pressure disc is loosened from the shaft, it can be safely removed and prepared for its next life as a power plant turbine.
Here we see the extracted high-pressure turbine disc being carefully weighed. Though visibly eroded, the core alloy is critical.
Confirm scrap-only status for controlled melting.
The first step is blade removal. This fighter jet turbine scrap is mechanically pre-processed before melting down.
From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside a secret recycling factory.
Ready for lift. Send the hook down.
Inside the decoating room, the high-pressure turbine cylinder is loaded for contaminant removal. This intensive surface cleaning is critical. The turbine spins as a storm of steel shot strips away the old material.
Once the shot blast cycle is complete, the high-pressure turbine emerges, its coating completely removed. It's now ready for breakdown and sorting. Inside this secret facility, we transform retired jet engines into reusable superalloys. The final stage is size reduction.
From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside this secret recycling factory, we manage the full process.
Inconel 7118 equivalent.
Here we blend the superalloy 718 with secondary nickel to achieve the precise composition required for the turbine disc grade alloy. The superalloy scrap, once part of a fighter jet engine, is now charged into the vacuum induction melting furnace.
Once the crucible is charged, the heavy lid is sealed. The operator initiates the evacuation sequence. To finalize the chemistry, the metallurgist adds a precise mixture of flux and trim alloys into the energized furnace.
Ready for lift. Send the hook down.
The pour is complete. We have achieved full ingot formation on this run. Moving to cooling.
Once the pour is complete, the massive turbine ingots begin their slow journey to the cool and strip station, where the molds can be removed.
From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside a secret recycling factory, full process.
We're scanning the crop zone now. The waveform shows clear indications of shrinkage near the end, so we're marking this section for removal.
From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines. Inside, a secret recycling factory.
We're inside a secret recycling factory, transforming scrap fighter jet engines into massive The final conditioning cut is complete. The recycled fighter jet alloy is now precisely measured before forging. From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines. From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside a secret recycling factory. From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside a secret recycling factory. The manipulator carefully lowers the Heat 27A disc into the controlled cooling forge for its post-forge thermal treatment. Once the shot blasting is complete, the turbine disc emerges clean and ready for inspection before heading to the lathe for rough turning. From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines. Inside a secret recycling factory. The massive HEAT 27A disc is carefully flipped. Once secured, the VTL will begin
During the second face roughing and parallelism stage, the carbide tool traverses outward, removing the remaining forge scale. From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside a secret recycling factory, we see the full process.
we see the HE-27A disc forging, repurposed from a fighter jet engine, undergoing the critical rapid quenching stage.
The disc is removed after the age hardening cycle. A Rockwell test confirms the precise hardness required for the turbines.
Ready for lift. Send the hook down.
Lower slowly. Traverse left point 1. Hold position. Engaging clamp.
Utilizing scrap fighter jet engines, this precision finishing is critical for the new massive power plant turbines.
Inside the secret facility, the Heat 27A disc undergoes precision dimensional verification.
From scrap metal to massive turbines. Here we see the HP, IP, and LP stage discs, all
Induction cycle complete. Temperature nominal. Go ahead and lift to the shaft. Over.
Securing the first rotor stage requires precision. Once locked in place, this recycled engine core begins. The vertical rotor shaft, featuring the HP stage disc made from recycled fighter jet engines, is ready for the next phase. The IP stage disc, still glowing from the induction heating process, is carefully lowered by the crane.
Lower slowly. We're almost aligned.
Copy that. Moving down slowly.
Perfect. Set it down.
From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines, inside a secret recycling factory, full process.
From scrap fighter jet engines to massive power plant turbines buttered. Inside a secret recycling factory.
At the laser drilling station, cooling holes are precisely bored into the recycled turbine blades, a crucial step in the refurbishment process. In this full process, we see how scrap fighter jet engines are reborn.
Every recycled fighter turbine blade undergoes rigorous quality assurance, ensuring the material meets the highest standards before final assembly.
The rotor, salvaged from a decommissioned fighter jet, is carefully guided into the massive turbine casing.
Lowering to station. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear to set.
Torque sequence complete on position 4.
Confirmed. Moving to position 9.
Up slow.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more updates.